our 110 volt countertop pizza display warmer. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of at least 23 3/4 inches, a depth of 23.5 inches, overall height of 27.5 inches, and measurement will be 18 1/4 inches in radius. This applies for all 4 racks holding the pizzas. Features include a power switch along with the temperature controls and a water fill for the reservoir within the display to keep your pizzas in constant temperature, preventing dryness. Features include the rotating feature to display and showcase your pizzas. So when the door is open, the rotating feature will pause. Coming to the side will be your standard 110/120 voltage connection. And coming located on the top right corner is your ETL certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.